Want to sell anything from anywhere on your site? Add a Buy Now button and let customers check out instantly. With the Buy Now button, you can place it anywhere on your website. For example, we have added it to this landing page, and when you click on it, a direct checkout pop-up appears instantly. Now let's see how to set it up using a shortcode. I will add Buy Now button here. So let's edit the page. Now click on the plus icon and search for shortcode. Let's drag and drop it here. To get the shortcode, go to WordPress dashboard, and from here navigate to on page checkout. Scroll down and here we'll find the shortcode. Let's copy this. Now let's paste it here. To link to a specific product, simply add the product ID, which you can find on product page. You can also add a variation ID if needed. And you can also set a default quantity for checkout. Also add the variation ID to display the product. I have also added the buttons on others pack. Now click save. Pursue the page. See, our Buy Now button has been added to our plans. Now if you want to purchase the starter pack, if you click on it, only the starter pack will be added to your checkout. See, if you want to buy only the growth pack, then only the growth pack will be added to your checkout page. Now let's add Buy Now button using widget. So for that, click on the plus icon. Here from the Plugincy gallery, you will see your option Buy Now button. Here you can also find our others plugin. Let's drag and drop the Buy Now button where you want to add, and at right side you can see the option for product ID and variation ID. To display the specific product, you need to add the product ID and variation ID. I've also added the Buy Now button to the others pack. Now click save. Visit the page. See again, try to purchase. See, the Buy Now button is only working for the specific pack. Let's go back. You can also add the button using Elementor. At widget, you will find our plugins section where you can find all our plugins. So this is our Buy Now button. Let's drag and drop it here. You can see then no product found. To add a specific product, you need to add here product ID. And if the product has variation, then you need to add variation ID. Now visit the page. Now let's purchase the growth pack. That's how you can also add a Buy Now button for a specific product with Elementor. So that's it. Now you can place Buy Now button anywhere across your site, making the buying process faster and more flexible. Give your customers instant access to checkout wherever they are. Start using Buy Now buttons today and turn every page into a sales opportunity.